Hi guys, Noah Young here with Green Cover Seed, and I'm so excited to announce that we finally have black oats. There's just one slight problem. Nobody can seem to pronounce it.
Cosaque. Cosaque.
It's called Cosaque. And that's the final answer.
How do you pronounce those?
Cosaque Black Oats.
Cosaque Black Oats?
Okay.
I got covered. Well, Noah, it's obvious. It's Cas-que.
Okay.
Cosaque Black Oats.
Cosaque Black Oats.
Cas-que Black Oats.
Cosaque Black Oats.
I don't know. What language is that?
It's English.
No, it's not either.
How do you pronounce it?
Cosaque. Cosaque.
Cosaque.
Cosaque? It's Japanese.
Cosaque Black Oats.
Cosaque Black Oats. Is that it?
Cosaque Black Oats.
Called Kol-sac, which means I got to go sack some seed.
Casque.
Casque?
Yeah.
Is
that right?
All right, boys, the debate is over. It's pronounced Cosaque. And the way I remember that is the genetics of this particular black oats comes from Eastern Europe, from the Ukraine area, which is where the Cosaque people are from. And so even though it's spelled differently, just remember Cosaque oats, the Cosaque people in Eastern Europe. Debate done.
Well, there you have it, folks. Call in to Green Cover Seed today to get your Cosaque Black Oats.